Hello, welcome to TextureMath. In this session, we will cover the further variable from the RTVJOBA command. So here I have created the program, so let's go through it. So as usual, firstly we are declaring few variable here for the demo purpose. So here from line number 10 to line number 12, we have declared three variable, which is PRTTXT, PRTKEYFMT and SRTSEQ. Okay, and to know about the type and the length of these variable, we will use the command. So I just need to write here RTVJOBA, then take F4. So once you take F4, it will take you to this screen where you will find all the variable name, details and purpose of the uses of that variable. Okay, so from this screen we have covered all these variable in our previous session. So I'm doing page down, these are also covered, and today we are going to cover these three, which is PRT text, PRT key format and SRTSEQ. Okay, so now if I want to know about this variable, like what value it returns, what type of variable it needed to store the value, so for that I just go and click here, then I press F1. Once I take F1, it show me this information where it is mentioned specifies the name of CL variable that receives the print text for the job. So whatever the job print text is assigned with our job, it will be printed on the screen. This variable should be of type character with a minimum length of 30 characters. Okay, so basically from here we are getting the print text for the job. Now second one is PRT key FMT, which is print key format. So I'm pressing F1. Here it is mentioned specifies the name of CL variable that receives the print key format for the job. So whatever the print key format for the job is there, it will be printed to us on the screen. The variable must have a minimum length of 10 characters. The special value could be star none, star PRTBDR, star PRTHDR or star PRT all. Okay, so these are the expected value that we will retrieve from this command, and basically it is printing the key format for the job. Now we will see the third variable, which is SRTSEQ, taking F1 on it. So here it is mentioned specifies the name of CL variable that receives the name of the sort sequence table used for the job. So whatever the sort sequence table used we are using for the job, it will print that value, means it will give that value. The spatial value are star lang idunq, star lang idshr or star hex. These are the value that we can get, and the variable must be of type character with minimum length of 10 characters. Okay, so from this command itself we got all the information, like what are the purpose of using that variable, the one which we are using, what should be the length of that variable, what should be the type of the variable. So we got the information. Now what we will do, we will directly go to the program and declare the variable accordingly. So in the same way I have declared variable here. Here it is of length 30, 10 and 10, all are of type character as we see in the command. And variable name you can keep anything, but just for the simple to make it very simple, I keep the same name so that it will be easy for you to understand why we are using that variable, okay, and what value we are getting from it. Now on line number 21 we are printing the value, which is ampersand PRT text. So here we are using sndpgmsg command. Now I'm taking F4 on it and simply just need to pass that variable which we want to print. So once this line got executed, it prints the PRTTXT. Now on below line number 25, I'm using the same command, but this time I'm going to print the value PRTKEYFMT. And on line number 29, I'm using the sndpgmsg command to print the data of SRTSEQ. Okay, so as these three variable are of type character, therefore there is no need to type convert anything, because sndpgmsg takes only the character value and we are passing in a character value. Fine, so we declare the variable, we execute the command, and we got the value inside the three variable once this line got executed, RTVJOBA. So as soon as it got completed, it will retrieve the value in these three variable and then we are printing it. So let's try to compile and see the output. It is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling this program. So first output we got is this path. So this is the job print text, okay, which is, as we are using pub 400 account, so it is a job print text for the pub 400 account. Now another thing is PRT header, which is key format. Okay, now I'm doing page down. The third value we are getting is sequence sort of sequence table, which is hex. So this is how we can utilize this RTVJOBA command for retrieving these three information or more than these three information. So I hope it is clear to all of you, and in the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare Math.